tipo kong negosyo. Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Mahahanap mo rin ang iyong perfect match, ang negosyong magsisilbing inspirasyon sa iyo at makapagpapaunlad ng iyong kabuhayan. Hindi lang door number 1, number 2 at number 3 ang magbubukas para sa iyo dahil samut-saring business ang matutuklasan sa Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo. Bukas na ba ang tindahan mo? Kasi bumenta ka na sa puso ko.
Kung trabaho ko ay isipin ka, malamang, yayaman ako sa kaka-overtime.
Miss, saan pwede magpa-register ng business name? Pwede ba? Sa tabi mo?
Dito sa negosyo ko, murang benta ko sa lahat. Dahil, sa'yo lang ako magmamahal.
Ang tipo kong negosyo. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Velma Dumpit Murillo. Muli po nagpupugay sa inyo at nag-aanyaya. Samahan po ninyo kami sa susunod na isang oras sa isa na namang pagtatanghal ng ating programa. At syempre, hindi tayo makakompleto kung wala ang aking partner. Partner, kamusta ka na?
Mabuti naman, Director Telma. Kumusta rin po kayo? Ako po si Tess Ramirez. Good morning. At sana'y nasa mabuting kalagayan din ang lahat ng mga taga-subaybay ng programang Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo na hindi lamang ho napapakinggan sa impilang DZRB Radio ng Bayan, kundi maging sa aming sister station, yan ang Business Radio.
Sa
DWBR-FM.
Right, 104.3. Okay, partner, huling episode na natin bago sumapit ang bagong taon. At syempre, pag bagong taon, ano ba yung naiisip natin? Mga fireworks. Yes. O para sa lubungin ng bagong taon, hindi ba? Pampaalis daw ng malas.
Director Telma, ang bagong taon, sasalubungin natin kapag walang paputok. Di ba?
Correct. Wag lang yung paputok na ibang klase. Mabaho yun. Di ba? Okay. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon, paputok, paano ba gumamit nito? Yung sa isang paraan na hindi kayo maaaksidente, ano-ano ba yung klaseng paputok? At syempre, para din sa New Year, ano ba yung bago na kunyari gusto mong mas healthy, the new you, di ba? Pagka, New Year, laging may resolution, New Year's resolution. Nasusunod mo ba yung New Year's resolution?
Kagaya nung ibang mga babae, sinasabi nila, gusto ko sa next year ay mas maganda ako. Yun.
Sa akin, hindi na yan. Ang resolution ko ay gusto kong magpapayat pero healthy way, di ba? So yan po ang ating pag-uusapan sa ating pong programa. So tuloy-tuloy na ba tayo?
That's
Ipapakilala naman natin, partner, ang ating mga panauhin.
Meron tayong kasama sa buong oras ng Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo until 9 in the morning. Umpisahan nating ipakilala. Ladies first ba or ang lalaki muna?
Ang paputok muna, di ba?
Ang paputok muna.
Para pumuputok din yung ating programa.
Ang paputok king.
Oo.
Ayan.
Siyempre, ang kilalang brand niyan, Dragon Fireworks. At mapalad tayo ang ating kasama ang may-ari. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Hovenson Ong. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Maraming salamat po at you found time to be with us.
Good morning to everyone, especially those who are listening in their radios.
Okay. And our other guest is the owner of Herb's Best International, Miss Fanny Guanzon. Good morning to you, Fanny.
I'm Fanny. Good morning.
Good morning, Thelma. Good morning, Tess.
Okay.
Pam 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 ba pa pam 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 ba pa pam. Easy to get. Pam ba pa pam.
So, ang una nating topic ay paputok muna. How long has Dragon Fireworks been in the business?
We started it 1992, so it's our 20th year now.
Wow! 20th year. Yung Dragon Fireworks, is that a local brand? Is that your brand? Or is that, what is it?
It's a local
imported?
brand and it's manufactured here.
Oh, okay. Akala ko kasi noon, imported yung Dragon. Okay. Dragon yung ginagamit ng mga malalaking events, ano? We usually have that fireworks, I know, yung ibang countries, ano ba yung competition na yon? Yung mga fireworks competition, iba ba yun? Iba yun.
Usually, our fireworks are either used by consumers every New Year, or for special events like weddings. And yun, meron kami indoor and outdoor fireworks.
Sikat na rin yung dragon eh. Ang dami ko na nakikita ng ganyan. Ang Chinese ang nagdala ng paputok dito sa Pilipinas. Tama-tama, Chinese si Sir Jovenson Ong.
Pinoy na Pinoy sa puso.
Sa puso! Talaga po, ha? Pero ito pong Dragon Fireworks, ito po yung unang fireworks brand dito sa Pilipinas po ba?
Oo. Kami ang naunang nagkaroon ng lisensya para mag-manufacture dito. And we started really small then. And then now, I'm happy to say, we're, if not the largest, one of the largest in Southeast Asia.
Wow.
Okay. Marami tayong babalitaan ng mga aksidente, hindi ba, sa pag-handle ng paputok. Yung iba karaniwan pagka hindi pumuputok, pinupuntahan, pinupulot, ayun. Yun ang isang karaniwang aksidente. Ano po ba ang inyong maibibigay na mga guidelines o panuntunan sa ating po mga tagapakinig?
Yung aming company kasi, when we started, we tried to stay out of firecrackers. So, pumunta kami sa pyrotechnics or pailaw. So, yung mga products namin, karamihan, sinisindihan, lumalayo yung tao, tsaka panunuorin sa sky. Yung karamihan ng nasasaktan, yung mga firecracker, yung tinatawag natin singular bangers. Ibig sabihin, isang sindi, isang putok.
Yung mga bawang.
Pero,
diba?
ngayon kasi, meron na kasing tinatawag silang piccolo.
Piccolo, correct.
Yung i-scratch lang nila, tapos puputok. And DOH is actively campaigning against that.
Yes.
And half of the reported injuries come from piccolo. So, pag kunwari, nawala itong piccolo, like what DOH wants, we hope that to see the numbers go down.
So, ano ho ba? Meron bang mga trends pagdating sa fireworks o pare-pareho lang yan every year? Kasi I've seen yung really beautiful fireworks, yung iba-iba, di ba? Yung mga star-spangled, mga kung ano, na parang umaambon siya, no, partner?
Yes.
Parang umuulan ng ginto.
Parang umuulan ng ilaw.
Yeah, we're known for that. We call that brocade. So, golden brocade. So,
Brocade.
parang matagal na nahuhulog sa sky.
Correct.
Kapag ganyan po ba yung ginagamit, lesser yung mga aksidente?
Kasi ang pailaw nga, pag sinindihan, it's meant for people to get away at a certain distance. So, if we light pyrotechnics, for as long as we follow the instructions, then we will be safe using it. Because hindi tayo nasa tabi. Hindi natin hinahawakan.
Pero
so, unlike firecrackers kasi, sometimes nakainom yung tao, nabitawan na nahihagis yung paninde, nakadikit pa hawak-hawak yung paputok.
Correct.
Yun yung mga delikado.
Pero alam mo, partner, sa Amerika, yung nangyayari doon, usually sa isang lugar lang, tapos gobyerno ang nagpapaano putok, di ba? Yung local government or something like that.
Yeah.
Hindi na individual houses.
Yung difference kasi sa US, sometimes, a lot of times, hindi sila pamilya kung mag-celebrate. Kadalasan yan, they're with friends.
Right.
And then they can watch the fireworks.
Right.
What's nice about the Filipinos, we are traditionally family-oriented. So we would like to spend the New Year with our family and extended families. So gusto natin, hindi na tayo lalayo at may iniiwan pang tao sa bahay. Gusto natin, habang nagpa-party tayo, magsisindi na tayo ng pailaw. So okay naman yun. Actually, yung trend ng ating mga nasasaktan sa mga dulot ng mga pailaw at paputok, bumababa na. Kung tanggalin lang natin yung mga bawal, sobrang baba na talaga compared to US. Mababa pa tayo.
So, yung paputok, okay ka dun na tanggalin na sana. Pero yung pailaw, dapat yun ang tumataas, di ba?
Yung paputok, ang ayaw lang natin kadalasan yung tinatawag nating singular bangers.
Oo.
Pero ang masama kasi, yan ang karamihan na gusto rin ng ibang tao na gamitin. Yung mas walang budget.
Oo, kasi
So,
mura lang
for
yun.
as long as meron tayong standards kasi na sinusunod na
Oo.
tamang laki lang,
Oo.
hindi sila mapuputulan ng daliri. Ang masama kasi maraming gumagawa ng illegal at
Oo.
nilalakihan
Oo.
to an extent na sometimes nakakatakot na talaga yung mga laki nila na kung nasabugan ka, nakakamatay na. So, kung ibaba natin totally ang firecrackers, yung mga illegal mag-sprout up. So, para natin silang binigyan ng incentive kasi yung mga legal, hindi nagagawa ng legal firecrackers.
Oo.
Lahat ng illegal, parang na-reward. Tuwan-tuwa sila, wala na silang kalaban.
Okay.
Pabor po ba kayo dun sa ginagawa ngayon ng DOH na sabi nila sa bawat community, merong pagpapaputok na ilalagay doon yung mga eksperto sa pagpapaputok, yung gagawa nun, hindi yung mga tao na hindi ho nakakaalam kung
Kasi
paano gawin.
hindi po sapat ang dami ng marunong magpaputok professionally sa Philippines. Kung gagawin natin every barangay like that. And then as I said, people normally don't want to leave a loved one behind. So if it was in the States, pwede yung ganong senaryo. Pero yung sa atin, we're Filipinos.
So,
Gusto
magkaiba.
natin magkasama tayong lahat.
So, iba
Ayaw
yung
natin
kultura.
pupunta tayo sa corner, barangay hall to watch a fireworks.
Oo.
And then, pag lahat kayo nakakumpul doon, pag merong aksidente, mas maraming masasaktan. Mas maganda yung hiwa-hiwalay.
Sa bagay.
Yung bang fireworks ninyo, Mr. Ong, yun din nasasabayan din ng music? Hindi.
Yung pang professional fireworks,
Oo.
we have those. It's computer simulated and computer fired.
Yeah.
So, sabay sa music yon.
I see. Magkano naman ang presyo ng iyong mga fireworks?
Pag professional po, depende po yan sa budget. We cater to the budget of the people.
Okay.
Like, simple weddings, they can have it for less than 20.
Okay.
Karamihan doon napunta pa sa permit. So, actually, kung ano yung budget talaga.
So,
If you want it simple,
customize.
Kung ganyan lang budget mo, then we will work on your budget. We will advise you. And then, pag kunyari, gusto mo naman special event talaga na malaki. And then, binigyan niyo kami ng budget, then we will advise you, can we fire it in this kind of length? And then the song would be this one.
Yeah.
And then we can simulate it to you so you can actually see the show before we actually fire it.
Okay. Wow.
Maganda yun.
Oo nga, parang gusto ko nang ikasal. Diba? Kaya
Ikasal
lang bawal.
And then renewal of vows. Pwede yun.
Ano ba itatanong ko? Yung mga nakikita natin na nagtitinda ng dragon fireworks, mga authorized ba yon?
Authorized sa mga yan. Ang kagandahan sa fireworks kasi, we only distribute it through legal authorized distributors.
Oo.
Pero kahit sino pwede actually mag-ahente. Ang kagandahan yan, sometimes we hear about downstream, mga 5.
Oo.
Ang gagawin lang nila, they go to our distributors, tapos sasabihin, nagko-collect lang sila ng order ng mga kaibigan nila. Pagkatapos, kukunin nila doon sa distributor at idadali na lang nila sa kaibigan nila.
I see.
For as long as hindi ka nagpwesto, okay lang.
okay
Pero
lang.
pag meron kang tindahan na
Oo.
pwesto, kailangan meron kang permit
Ayun.
from the PNP
Oo.
and from the local government also.
So, how's business nowadays?
As of now, hindi pa namin alam. Pag January, tsaka namin nalalaman.
Yung pag malapit na yung bagong taon.
Ngayon kasi parang nagwo-work down the levels pa lang siya.
Oo.
Pero yung tao na bumibili para sa gagamitin na talaga,
Oo.
medyo latter part of the month pa sila.
Pero compared to last year, partner, di ba? Meron na ba kayong, kung bumaba o tumaas compared to last year?
Wala pa. Hindi natin
wala pa
malalaman.
rin.
January, mga third week namin nalalaman.
I see.
Alam mo, Director Telma, sila mga nagtitinda ng paputok. Sila yung madalas na bisitahin ng Bureau of Fire Protection, ng DOH. Sinusiguro na magiging ligtas, di ko ba? Ano ho ba yung karaniwang chinecheck po nila? Tsaka para mabigyan din ng idea, yung mga gustong magkaroon ng negosyo ng paputok po.
Kadalasan gusto nila mag-visit sa amin kasi ang factory namin yung largest. Tapos, we manufacture everything according to ISO standards.
ISO.
Tapos lahat ng product natin may PS mark ng DTI. So, gusto nilang bisitahin kasi nakikita nila kung what it should be like compared to what is sometimes out there. Ganun.
So, yung business niyo is not seasonal kasi buong taon naman merong kinakasal, merong mga events, may mga concerts. So, is that profitable? Is it lucrative?
We give the profit to our display operators. We do not fire the shows na because we do not want to compete with them. Ang nangyayari niyan, meron kaming authorized fireworks distributors at saka fireworks operators.
Ano yun? Anong kaibahan?
Yung distributors, sila yung taga-benta ng mga consumer items. Fireworks display operators, yung mga nagpapaputok sa mga events.
I see.
So, kung may nag-i-inquire sa amin, binibigay namin sa kanila.
I see.
For as long as they buy our fireworks. We are basically primarily a manufacturing company only.
Manufacturer, supplier.
Yes.
And then, yung fireworks operator,
sila na yung nagpapaputok na nagdi-display. So, throughout the year, bumibili sila sa amin. Yung display, mga distributors naman, meron pa silang sub-dealers and then the dealers have sub-dealers again. So, I hear
hindi
people...
patong-patong na yun.
Masaya talaga. Maraming natutulungan kasi I hear people like nag-sideline lang sila nito, kumita sila ng several months worth of their normal salary.
Yes.
So, malaking tulong to sa kanila na magkaroon sila pang Noche Buena.
Yes, ang ganda naman yan. Ano yung pinaka-bestseller ninyo pag bagong taon? Anong klaseng, yung Golden Brocade ba? Is that your bestseller?
That is one of the effects na nasa sky na talagang popular for people kasi sa finale gusto nila ganun eh. Kasi parang
with a bang.
Parang silang natatakluban ng fireworks.
Ang ganda-ganda. No? So that's one of your bestsellers. Ano yung second best? Magkano pala yun, yung Golden Brocade?
Yung pinakamalaki, I'm not really sure about the price eh.
How many minutes
binebenta
yun?
ng distributor down the line.
Sige.
Gold po ba halaga niya?
Ang alam lang namin, binenta namin doon sa kanila. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin magkano puhunan
sige,
nila.
Okay. Yung what do you call this? Ilang minuto naman yun, yung Golden Brocade?
No, when it pops in the sky, basically it trickles down to about 2 seconds. Those 2 seconds feels like an eternity kasi
2 seconds lang yun?
2 seconds lang yun. Pero matagal yan.
Mabilis matunaw ng
yung
pera?
nakita mo, pang professional, hindi pang consumer. So it lasts longer.
Okay.
But those are only fired by professionals. Kasi mas malaking kalibre, hindi namin pwedeng benta sa consumer.
Okay.
Kung ginagamitan ng computer, di ba, ibig sabihin pwede rin yung special effects. Paano po yun? May mga pinag-aaralan po ba kayo mga dapat gawin tungkol dun sa mga special effects na ipinapataw po?
Yung special effects? You mean the indoor ones?
Yes.
Meron kasi kaming indoor na pag ganyan may kinakasal, yung mga pwede sa concert, wedding, gano'n, na waterfall, o kaya yung mga indoor fountain, o kaya non-pyrotechnic na effect like fogs, para kang sumasayaw sa ulap, gano'n.
Pero yung pang outdoor concerts, ganun.
Outdoor
weddings.
concerts, usually we have those yung mga effects na pang concert din. Depende yan kung yung audience mo proximate or malayuan.
Saan po kayo kumukuha ng ganong idea? Kumukonsult po rin po ba kayo sa ibang mga tao para matulungan po kayo?
Meron tayong mga foreign consultant. Actually, our factory, amazed yung ibang bansa. Like, we have guests from Europe, from America. Sa ibang bansa kasi wala yung isang pabrika na gumagawa ng lahat. Meron lang sila parang, pag fountain factory siya, fountain lang ang ginagawa nila. Pag display shelves ang ginagawa nila na pang professional, yun lang ang ginagawa nila. Kami, lahat kaya namin gawin from sparklers, fountains, to yung mga aerial shells, lahat alam namin gawin.
Okay, partner, pagpapatuloy natin itong ating pakikipanayam sa ating mga panauhin. Pagbalik natin, pagkatapos lamang ng ilang paalala. Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Bumagyo, nasira ang bubong, mag-home improvement loan. Kailangan ng dagdag na kita? Mag-livelihood loan. Paano na ang pang-enroll ni Boy? Mag-educational loan. O di kaya'y pagod at kailangan mo nang mag-relax. Pwedeng mag-wellness loan o mag-vacation loan. Lahat ng ito at para sa iba pa ninyong pangangailangan, handang tumulong ang Pag-ibig Fund. Tawag na sa 724-4244 o bumisita sa Pag-ibig Branch para mag-inquire tungkol sa multipurpose loan program. Sa Pag-ibig, ang pinaghirapan, may katuparan.
7,100 islands. Philippine Broadcasting Service. Radyo ng Bayan 738 sa Mega Manila.
One Philippines, one network, PBS.
Bumagyo, nasira ang bubong, mag-home improvement loan. Kailangan ng dagdag na kita? Mag-livelihood loan. Paano na ang pang-enroll ni Boy? Mag-educational loan. O di kaya'y pagod at kailangan mo nang mag-relax. Pwedeng mag-wellness loan o mag-vacation loan. Lahat ng ito at para sa iba pa ninyong pangangailangan, handang tumulong ang Pag-ibig Fund. Tawag na sa 724-4244 o bumisita sa Pag-ibig Branch para mag-inquire tungkol sa multipurpose loan program. Sa Pag-ibig, ang pinaghirapan, may katuparan.
Sina Tess Ramirez at Direktor Thelma Dumpit Murillo sa Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo.
Ang tipo kong negosyo.
In the mood, in the mood, sulyap. In the mood.
Okay, at balik po tayo sa ating programa at kanina po narinig natin si Mr. Jovenson Ong, ang may-ari ng Dragon Fireworks. Babalikan natin si Mr. Ong maya-maya po ng konti. In the meantime, kausapin naman natin yung ating pangalawang panauhin, partner.
Yes, siya po ay walang iba kundi si Miss Fanny Guanzon, ang business owner ng Herbs Best International. Good morning po ulit, Miss Fanny.
Good morning, Tess.
Ang ganda-ganda ni ma'am. Talagang pag ganyan yung piniling negosyo, it reflects Di po ba, Ma'am Fanny?
Ganun ba?
Alam
Wala
mo,
pa akong makeup ngayon.
Alam mo si Fanny, schoolmate ba kita o ano? Sa Ateneo kaya yata eh.
Sa Ateneo ko, nasa Merinoy ka.
Oo.
Pero magka-batch tayo. Mga kaibigan natin, magkakaibigan.
Pala kayo maganda.
Isang grupo
Director,
lang.
Oo. Pero si Fanny, popular popular noon sa mga boys.
Hindi ko alam.
Kunyari ka pa. Okay, pag-usapan natin, ano ba tong business mo na Herbs Best International? How did you get into this?
I got into this shortly after I came back from the US. I was staying in the US. Tapos, syempre, being in the US, medyo may konti kang exposure sa lifestyle ng mga tao doon. Medyo advanced na sila sa larangan ng health and wellness. Yes. So at that time, medyo yung konting exposure na yon, na-realize ko na siguro talagang dapat, to try to follow that path. Pero pagbalik ko dito sa Philippines, parang nakita ko na wala namang masyadong at the time available. And so when I started Herbs Best in 2004, there really wasn't that much, not on the shelves, not everywhere else. So I did my little research and found out that there were some potential products that could be developed from cottage industries, and that's how this whole Herbs Best started. Because I saw I saw some struggling communities that were very persistent, doing their thing, from learning what they've learned from the DOST or whatever, and they try to apply it for livelihood. So, nakita ko naman na pwede naman itong matulungan at ma-develop. So, in the process, syempre, in-equip ko na rin po yung sarili ko sa kaalaman na tungkol dito nga sa mga paano maging mas healthy or go natural and all
Yes,
that.
that's. I like this. A healthy body will never go out of style.
What you think
Oh, I like that.
Where did you find
it's
that?
so funny.
I know. Where did you find that? You know, we used that when we launched last year. Yung aming mga cocktail tables, nilagyan namin ng parang small banners na that said those things. Like,
Is that your slogan?
no, the slogan for the whole product line is all natural goodness. That's good for you.
Okay.
But you know, in when we're out or we have some events, then we come up with these little catchy lines,
Right.
you know, to get you thinking. Like you know, a healthy body, a sexy body never goes, or a healthy body never goes
Right.
out of style.
Right.
Or we also have another one. There's nothing sexy about over processed food.
True.
That's right.
So we come up with these little one-liners.
Okay, so what you have is a manufacturing facility, or you just source your raw materials from farmers, from what have you? How do you go
We
about
have
it?
we have partner manufacturing facilities, which means with some places we're the ones who equip them with equipment.
Okay.
But we didn't displace the work and took it out. We actually supported existing little plants and upgraded it with newer technologies.
Okay, so this is the business model that you are using?
Well, yes, in a way, yes. But then we're trying to do this all over the place. We're doing this in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So then we also have a similar setup or an in-house setup in which we're developing in Butuan City.
Yun ang maganda sa negosyo, Director Telma. Hindi mo iniisip yung puro benta lang, di ba? Kundi yung mismong tauhan mo, iniisip mo rin kung paano sila magagamit at matutulungan din.
Parang CSR na rin, ano? Your corporate social responsibility.
Yes. In a way, kasi sabi ko, I have this, I'm just a little, I am loyal to people that support or people that work with me for as long as I know that their intentions are clean and they'll go the distance with you. Of course, my facts come out when it's not that way, but when I think that they're worth it, then I go also do the extra mile. So I go the extra mile. So ang ano ko lang is yung kung dyan na pag-umpisan, why would I displace that? I'll keep it there, improve it, help them.
Yeah.
Get it to the standards that I'm used to, which means if they cannot afford it, then I'll have to do it myself and set it up for them or help them with whatever is the existing setup, and then improve it. In other areas naman, we do it from scratch, in the hope that we'll be able to come up with a facility that can be used by, or at least be the place where a lot of these farmer growers can come and it can be processed. Because the thing about Herbs Best is that it has developed your common use products, or you has changed the face of our agricultural products and put it in nice looking packages, and in utilizing technology, science, research, and the protocols of producing these things into high quality products. I choose to say high end because again, it is not the same as other common use products in the market. So
okay, let's go through your products. What's your product line?
Well, we call this line of products the Healthy Pantry.
Healthy Pantry
products, because we carry products that are what you find
in your pantry,
yeah, except that they got better. Like
okay.
I would, like to say that they are, because we have culinary aids such as sinigang and ginisa that do not contain MSG.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, and they're loaded with multi-herbs such as malunggay, dahon ng sili, talbos ng kamote, saluyot, spinach, lemongrass, and 21 fruits and vegetable extracts. We also have our
Yeah, pasta.
Our pasta noodles that's made out of malunggay, spinach, carrot, and squash. They're different from other products because these are oven dried, so they're less on any frying. There's no frying involved, so your trans fat is 0. Your calories are low. We don't also use dairy in it.
No dairy.
There's no dairy. So I think we are able to cover a wider spectrum of the health conscious people because then we've converted certain ingredients that are commonly used by others and used other ingredients or taken out other ingredients that fits more or befits those who are a little bit more leaning towards the very, very healthy side.
What about in the area of wellness, like oils and all that?
We also have the oils. Well, I have, but it's not out in the market. But I do sell these oils in the Legazpi Sunday Market, where we have our we're exposed to on weekends, and because we can interface with our clients and explain. We have our premium 100% cold pressed malunggay oil.
Wow.
Which again I'm very proud of because it is 100% pure, no adulteration, and it's 100%.
What's the shelf life?
There's almost no shelf life for there's the it's not it's not prone to being rancid, and at the very least it's probably 5 years. At best it's longer than that.
Talaga? Wow, that's great. And how are your prices? Usually sa price ng kakatalo partner, di ba?
Mas mahal.
Mas mahal pag organic, natural. Ay, aminado naman siya.
Aminado naman talaga kami, mas mahal. Pero mas mahal nga kami kasi nga we do not hindi namin sinasaksakan yung produkto ng other ingredients na nagpapabigat or nagpapadami.
So it's not adulterated.
It's not adulterated.
At yan ang hanap ngayon ng mga tao.
Kung naintindihan mo sana nila na mas maganda na po yung mas pure at nalalaman nyo na kasi nga tayo ngayon we're more prone to getting sick, di ba? And sometimes we ask ourselves, I'm only 40, I'm only 35. Why? Or bakit si ganito, 35 lang, hypertensive na. Bakit si ganito, may diabetes na. It's because of the things na kinakain natin na hindi natin alam kung anong sinasama sa pagkain natin kasi hindi naman natin nakikita. But since you don't know it and we don't know it, you don't know it, I don't know it, we just keep ingesting that and it's, literally killing us softly, di ba? But hindi na natin alam. So, ang Herbs Best naman, we did it the other way. Hindi ho kami kompetensya ng common use, bigger multinationals because we cater to a very niche market. We cater to people who can afford it a little better, or who may find it a little pricey, but understand the value behind why they're pricey.
Yeah, well, if they can pay for a Cohen diet or
our market is
caveman diet.
Yeah, if it's our market, kung mga nagko-Cohen, wala. I mean, they can very well afford our products, and they do.
Exactly.
And they patronize. So those people who go for these sexy diets. This is something that they can afford, or it is also something that is in those sexy diets because we have partner diet or health meal providers, that are using our products for those products that they serve for the diet. Because they will choose to serve a vegetable pasta noodle. Syempre, they'll take hours because wala naman kaming pinirito.
Yes.
Diba? So, if they're going to season a sinigang, why they would prefer to season the sinigang with real natural tamarind without MSG or flavor it with ginisa that has no MSG. Syempre, because they're serving a healthy meal that people pay for.
Yeah,
so,
that's right.
syempre, every ingredient has to follow the philosophy behind those sexy, healthy meals. So chances are they use our cocoa sugar, they use our drinks, our coffee without sugar, our dalandan without sugar, our chocolate without sugar because we don't use sugar because we are using instead the alternative sweeteners made from the leaf of a plant which is called stevia. Or
Yeah, stevia. I
or
have
we-
that plant.
yes, and it's really very sweet.
It
isn't
is sweet.
So you
I
can
was
actually
so
crush the
surprised.
leaves and
Yes.
then put it on your coffee
Oo.
and put it inside your cup, and it will sweeten the whole mixture.
Yeah.
So processed into powder form, that's what we use
Oo.
to sweeten our drinks, which allows the diabetics who couldn't take it
Oo.
to be able to take these things now.
And much better than the commercial, yung mga, hindi ko na
yung
sasabihin,
mga,
sugar substitute, di ba?
Oo naman.
Much
Oo naman.
better and healthier.
Yes, of course.
Oo.
Kaya nga nilalabi nga, kaya nahirapan din ng stevia na ma-accept internationally because I think a lot of the bigger players chose to lobby against something. But that's always the case naman eh.
Okay, partner. So, alam mo na kung bakit ganyan ka-sexy si Fanny.
Yes, alam ko na. Pero kahit may kamahalan yung kanilang produkto, Director Telma, siguro mura pa rin yan compared dun sa mga
At
stem
saka
cell
pagdating
treatment
sa health,
natin
di ba,
ngayon.
you should always have a blank check when it comes to
Ay,
health.
maganda yan.
Di
Parang
ba?
gusto ko
A
yatang
blank
tagline yan. We
When
should
it
always
comes
have a
to
blank
health.
check.
Oo.
Di ba?
Okay, mamaya.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
yan.
can't put the price on health, sabi
Right.
ng Oven. di ba?
Right. Oo. So, mamaya, babalikan natin saan makikita yung mga produkto ni Miss Fanny at ni Mr. Hoven. In just a minute, wag mo kayong aalis. Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Bumagyo, nasira ang bubong, mag-home improvement loan. Kailangan ng dagdag na kita? Mag-livelihood loan. Paano na ang pang-enroll ni Boy? Mag-educational loan. O di kaya'y pagod at kailangan mo ng mag-relax. Pwedeng mag-wellness loan o mag-vacation loan. Lahat ng ito at para sa iba pa ninyong pangangailangan, handang tumulong ang Pag-ibig Fund. Tawag na sa 724-4244 o bumisita sa Pag-ibig Branch para mag-inquire tungkol sa multipurpose loan program. Sa Pag-ibig, ang pinaghirapan, may katuparan.
7,100 islands. Philippine Broadcasting Service. Radyo ng Bayan 738 sa Mega Manila.
One Philippines, one network, PBS.
Bumagyo, nasira ang bubong, mag-home improvement loan. Kailangan ng dagdag na kita? Mag-livelihood loan. Paano na ang pang-enroll ni Boy? Mag-educational loan. O di kaya'y pagod at kailangan mo ng mag-relax. Pwedeng mag-wellness loan o mag-vacation loan. Lahat ng ito at para sa iba pa ninyong pangangailangan, handang tumulong ang Pag-ibig Fund. Tawag na sa 724-4244 o bumisita sa Pag-ibig Branch para mag-inquire tungkol sa multipurpose loan program. Sa Pag-ibig, ang pinaghirapan, may katuparan.
Sina Direktor Thelma Dumpit Murillo at Tess Ramirez sa Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo.
Okay, at nasa huling bahagi na po tayo ng ating programa at kasama pa rin natin ang ating mga panauhin, si Miss Fanny Guanzo ng Herbs Best International at Mr. Hoven Ong ng Dragonfire Works. At tanungin natin, partner, saan ba makikita yung mga produkto nila? Diba? Para dun sa mga nakikinig na interesado, bumili ng Herbs Best at saka Fireworks para sa bagong taon.
10 sila makakabili nito. Si Mr.
Hoven.
Hovenson.
We have a lot of dealers. Kalat sila sa buong
Metro
Philippines.
Manila.
Philippines.
Philippines ha? Talaga?
So we have distributors in all major cities naman.
At ano yun? Walang one price lang yun kasi depende sa distributor. Ganun ba yun?
Yung distributor lang bahala sa pricing.
sa
kasi
pricing.
nung pinadala namin sa kanila, may mga logistic cost yun eh.
So,
the farther they are from Metro Manila, they tend to become
more expensive. Right.
Yeah. Because our factory is in Bulacan. Yeah.
Madaling makita kahit saan pala.
Pwede rin ba silang dumiretso sa factory? Hindi.
Hindi kami nagbebenta sa factory. As I said, we let our distributors earn money.
Okay.
Yun pinapasa namin yung kita sa mga gustong magkapagbenta and we try not to compete with them.
That's good. Okay, what about you, Fanny? Where can we find your products?
Our products are found in special branches or specific branches of Rustan's Shopwise. So in
Okay.
Rustans, we have that in Rustans, Makati, Shangri-La, Rockwell. We have it in Shopwise, Libis, and other branches of Shopwise, more popular branches of Shopwise. And then we also have that in Robinson's Galleria, Robinson's Ermita, Robinson's Parañaque, Robinson's, a lot of
Do you
these
have a
Robinson's
website?
branches.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
we
have
have
a
a
website?
website.
Oo.
Yes, we're in actually about 60 stores nationwide. We have it in Landmark, Cash and Carry, Makati Supermarket, South Supermarket. We're at specialty stores like the Echo Store in both Podium and Serendra because
Okay.
they cater
Echo
to
Store of Chituan.
Chituan, which
Oo.
carries natural and organic products. We are also at Sonia's Garden. Sonia's also carries our products in her place.
Okay.
We're also at the DEC Deck in Wilson. We are at Sugarleaf Makati and Sugarleaf Wilson. So, and then we are also available at the Legazpi Sunday Market every Sunday at Legazpi Makati. And then we're also available through dealers of ours in Eastwood, in the Eastwood Tiange and in the Salcedo
So you're
Market,
also
Tiange.
open to dealerships for those entreps.
Yes, of
Oo.
course.
So paano sila kikita doon?
Because we give, as Hoven would do, I guess we give a special price also for those who will resell it.
Okay.
Just as much as we give a special price to the stores so that they maintain the SRP, but and get to earn from the product backwards.
Naku, parang gusto ko na mag-sideline ng paputok at pampaganda ngayon
in yun ngayon, lalo na yung paputok sa New Year, pero yung kagandahan forever yun.
Meron ka bang para sa paputok?
Yun naman ang wala.
Paputok ng kili-kili.
Iba yun.
Iba yun.
Magde-develop ako nito.
Yan ang next na product na yun.
Oo, ibang klase yun.
Ibang klase yun.
So, okay, what tips can you give our listeners for those who want to start a business? What is one thing that they should have? Okay, let's start with Joven.
It's Joven.
Joven
pala. As I was saying, ang pinakamahirap sa pag-start ng negosyo, yung actually na tumalon ka sa negosyo. Kasi,
so it's the birth pains, yung first.
Kadalasan kasi, we over-analyze things. Natatakot na tuloy tayo na mawawala yung pera natin. So, pag may
paralysis by analysis.
Kunyari, matatakot ka, maybe you can do sideline businesses first, like ahente.
Para maintindihan mo yung negosyo.
Mag-sideline ka ng mga products ni Fanny, mag-sideline ka ng products ko, and then you earn money, and then nakikita mo yung saya na naidudulot, na kumita ka ng money aside from your
sa sarili
job.
Mong pawis, di ba?
Hindi, yung iba kasi karamihan, meron silang job talaga. Pero gusto nila na lumabas at maging entrepreneurs.
Okay.
Pwede muna sila mag-sideline. Na ngayon, kung meron na silang naipon na pwede na nilang feeling nila, pwede na nilang isugal sa negosyo, mas kaya na nila. Kasi may sideline business sila eh.
Okay.
May maaasahan. Hindi yung 9 to 5 job nila.
Correct.
So sabi niya, may sideline ako. If things go for the worst, meron akong konting kita. So pwede nilang gamitin yung kinita rin nila sa sideline na mag-start ng bagong negosyo. Tinatanong ko kadalasan, ano bang negosyo ang pwedeng umpisahin? I always tell them lahat.
Lahat, kahit ano.
You see businesses like laundry or any other
Water.
business. Lahat yan kumikita. Ibig may kumikita at may nalulugi. Ibig sabihin, lahat yan pwedeng gawin.
Bakit sila nalulugi? Kasi mali yung kanilang
for some, mali
management?
ang management na ihalo nila yung pera sa personal nila.
Okay.
Yun
So
ang
that's a
number
big
one kasi,
no-no.
Yeah. Ang
Hindi dapat galawin
pera ng
yun
negosyo,
sa
pera
negosyo.
lang ng negosyo para nakikita mo kung operating profit ka or operating loss. So for small businesses, the tendency kadalasan dyan, yung may pambili tayo ng ulam, nakukuha mo na sa pera ng negosyo. So hindi na nila na properly account kung kumikita ba talaga yung negosyo o hindi.
Yung bang mga anak natin, dapat turuan sila magnegosyo habang bata pa? O pabayaan sila kung anong gusto nilang career?
I always tell people the best gift you can give your children is an alkansya.
Talaga?
Yes. if the child, binibigyan mo ng pera, tapos tinitignan mo paano mag-spend na ng money niya, medyo mag-guide mo na siya habang bata. 3 years old, 4 years old, binibigyan mo ng konting pera at sasabihin mo sa kanila na i-save mo para ibang araw maging mayaman ka. Kasi sila nakakaintindi na sila, gusto na maging mayaman din. So, dapat meron silang natural instinct na i-save yung money at hindi bilhin ng bagay. Ngayon, kung nakita nila sa mo, pwede mong inegosyo yan ibang araw. Pag ninegosyo ay parang sugal, pero hindi talaga sugal dahil hawak mo yung baraha. Nasa iyo yun kung gusto mong mag-overtime ka na mag-overtime para isipin lahat ng pamamaraan para kumita yung negosyo mo. May iba minamalas, pero ang negosyo kasi, yung karamihan ng mga yumaman na Taipan, kung titignan natin sila, hindi naman lahat ng negosyo nila kumita eh.
Oo.
Yes.
It's try and try until you succeed.
Oo.
Correct.
That's true. Okay. Nabanggit mo, baraha. Nanguhula ka ba?
Hindi ba? Parang hawak na sa kamay natin.
Oo. Hindi, joke lang yun. Ikaw naman.
Ako naman naisip ko yung alkansya. Marami nabubutas ng alkansya kagad eh.
Si Fanny naman. So Fanny, ikaw, what's your tip for those who want to get into business? Kung wala silang passion, wag na silang pumasok sa negosyo, ganun ba?
Sa akin, the practical side of the tip I could give is something that Joven was saying, no? Know how paano gagamitin ang pera, or kung pwedeng mag-ipon muna para later on ay makapagnegosyo. Yun talaga is, key. And even, mixing funds is something we all do, but it shouldn't be. And you try to go towards the part where you will actually, be liberated from either. So you have your funds for home and funds for personal and funds for the business. But if you start early, at saka nakapag-ipon ka naman at magagamit mo yung perang yon later on para sa pagkonting negosyo, maganda sana yun. And again, like everything else, even love, Thelma, even love is a risk, it's a gamble. Pero yun yung mga baraha, bahala ka na kung paano mo ilalaro yung baraha mo. Pero serious,
that's what makes life exciting.
Exactly. But more than that, ang gusto ko lang masabi sa tao is yung, I think it's important to say you have passion, and kailangan kung papasukan mo na rin, karirin mo na lang at intindihin mo, gustuhin mo, mahalin mo. At saka dapat in my case naman kasi, kaya ako naman medyo vocal or nakakapagsalita ng gusto kong sabihin sa ginagawa ko kasi kinakarir ko at saka minamahal ko at saka at the same time gusto ko makita kita face to face in your eye and say I'm selling you something that I believe is of good quality. Because if I cannot do that, then I would rather not. Kasi I've always been on the opposite side of the fence. I was always the one buying this, buying that, buying this, buying that. Pero ngayon na nandito ako naman na nagbebenta, parang iba ang sitwasyon na ikaw nagbebenta. Kailangan kumbinsido ka sa binibenta mo at dapat talagang nasa loob mo. Talagang sinasa loob mo talaga. In like the case of Joven, no? He's proud to say that their factory is ISO and they've gone beyond just the specifics of just one kind of a product into something that is wide, that makes them probably one of the biggest in Southeast Asia. Maybe that's because talagang kinarir nila They went even beyond the models abroad that did only one. So in the same way, yung sa aking maliit na katiting na negosyo na malayong-malayo sa negosyo ni Joven, siguro naman one day na pag mga tao ay maging mas conscious na sa health, dito na tayo lalaki na lang kasi pag lalo na ang mga Pilipino ay mas naging conscious sa health. Lahat po ng produkto po namin talagang may herbs, may malunggay, may mga luyang dilaw, may lahat ng klaseng gulay po. Para yung mga farmers po natin, yung mga produkto po nila, hindi lang naman mabubulok lang sa palengke, pero nagagamit sa produkto na pwede niyong bilhin sa supermarket.
That's right.
Yun. So,
naku, Director Thelma, ang dami natin natutunan. Of course.
Nainganyo ka magnegosyo?
Gustong-gusto ko na mag-sideline.
Ano gusto mo? Maging dealer ng paputok o dealer ng Herbs Best?
Pareho.
Pwede naman pagsabayan, hindi ba, Fanny, Joven?
Pwede.
Oo. So, okay. So, Dragon Fireworks, kung gusto ninyo for the new year, they're all over the country. You can just
go to our website. It's www.dragonfireworks.com.
And then they'll see all the locations.
They can inquire there. Our email is inquiry@dragonflowers.com, and then we will refer them to the nearest dealer.
Okay,
Sa
that's
amin
great.
naman, Telma, it's www.herbsbestinternational.com.
Okay, great. So, thank you once again, and we wish you a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you
And
for
happy
coming.
holidays.
Happy holidays.
And here's a toast to a wonderful New Year. Pero si Joven, meron pa siya Chinese New Year eh.
Oo nga,
Teka
no?
muna, maghula ka muna. Year of the Snake. Is that a good year?
I'll ask the feng shui.
Okay, so wag po kayo aalis. Pagbabalik po kami eh.
Bumagyo, nasira ang bubong, mag-home improvement loan. Kailangan ng dagdag na kita? Mag-livelihood loan. Paano na ang pang-enroll ni Boy? Mag-educational loan. O di kaya'y pagod at kailangan mo ng mag-relax. Pwedeng mag-wellness loan o mag-vacation loan. Lahat ng ito at para sa iba pa ninyong pangangailangan, handang tumulong ang Pag-ibig Fund. Tawag na sa 724-4244 o bumisita sa Pag-ibig Branch para mag-inquire tungkol sa multipurpose loan program. Sa Pag-ibig, ang pinaghirapan, may katuparan.
7,100 islands. Philippine Broadcasting Service, Radyo ng Bayan 738 sa Mega Manila.
One Philippines, one network, PBS.
Bumagyo, nasira ang bubong, mag-home improvement loan. Kailangan ng dagdag na kita? Mag-livelihood loan. Paano na ang pang-enroll ni Boy? Mag-educational loan. O di kaya'y pagod at kailangan mo ng mag-relax. Pwedeng mag-wellness loan o mag-vacation loan. Lahat ng ito at para sa iba pa ninyong pangangailangan, handang tumulong ang Pag-ibig Fund. Tawag na sa 724-4244 o bumisita sa Pag-ibig Branch para mag-inquire tungkol sa multipurpose loan program. Sa Pag-ibig, ang pinaghirapan, may katuparan.
Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Drive my caravan.
Okay, bago tayo tuluyang magpaalam, partner, meron tayong mga ilang, ano ba to? Schedule. Baka interesado yung ating mga listeners na mag-attend dito sa jewelry exhibit. Kailan ba to? Walang petsa.
It's December, buong buwan ng December na ba, Marels?
Okay. So, jewelry exhibit dyan po sa Design Center of the Philippines Exhibition Hall. Dyan yun sa may CCP complex. And meron din tayong Colors and Trends. Diyan pa rin sa Design Center of the Philippines sa may CCP. Okay, so yan po, abangan ninyo Colors and Trends, or hindi abangan kung hindi, puntahan.
Puntahan na.
Ongoing na.
Kasi matatapos na ang December, hanggang December.
Oo nga pala. Correct.
Yeah.
So, yan po, Colors and Trends, Jewelry Exhibit, there at the Philippine Design Center of the Philippines. So, paano, partner? Naku, next year na tayo magkita, ha?
January na! Sa
Ha?
next Friday, January na.
Oo
2013 na, ang bilis ng araw.
Ganun talaga. Buti na lang magaganda tayo.
Correct.
Hindi kita. Diba? So, it was a wonderful year. We had a very fruitful year, partner, and I'm so thankful to have you. And we're so thankful. Kami po sa DTI nagpapasalamat sa PBS, sa partnership po natin. At sana magtuloy-tuloy po ito. Siyempre, yung ating mga naging kasama.
Yes,
Pasalamatan mo na
maraming
rin.
salamat. Sa aming producer, si Miss Marela Jem Castro. At sa technical side, thank you kay Engineer Anthony. At kami
Ating
po,
piloto.
ang inyong mga nakasama, ako si Tess Ramirez.
At ako po naman po si Thelma Dumpit Murillo. Be good, be felt, make a difference. Yan. So, until next week.